In the fast-pacing and ever-changing landscape of our industry, ensuring your Tufin solution is up to date has never been more important. Every update brings the latest protection against emerging threats, keeping your network and data safer. New releases mean new capabilities, giving you more automation, visibility, and control over your security policies. Updates optimize how your system runs, reducing downtime and improving responsiveness. Tufin versions follow a clear life cycle in which each major release enters a period of active support where it receives new features, enhancements, and security updates. As it matures, it moves into maintenance, focusing on stability and critical fixes. Eventually, older versions reach end of support, meaning no further updates or security patches are provided. Staying within supported versions ensures you continue to receive updates, expert assistance, and maintain full compatibility with evolving technologies. Running the latest version helps your Tufin solution integrate seamlessly with new network devices, APIs, and environments. TOS Checker is your safety net and helping hand. It automatically scans your environment and highlights any potential issues such as configuration inconsistencies, unsupported settings, or system health warnings that could affect your upgrade. Once the scan completes, the tool generates an output file which can be submitted to Tufin Support by uploading it through your support ticket or customer portal before upgrading. Our engineers will review it, validate your environment's readiness, and guide you through any adjustment needed for a safe and successful upgrade. If your TOS environment has an older version of Arc that doesn't have TOS PreCheck built in, you can download the latest version of Arc from the portal and install it. Once installed, you can run the PreCheck script. After reviewing and giving you the go-ahead, browse to the customer portal, download the relevant package, and open the relevant Knowledge Center article. Make sure you read and follow the upgrade steps carefully and adhere to the prerequisites. The TOS update command now supports continue, abort, and show flags that can help you track the upgrade progress. So, stay secure, stay current, and use the TOS Checker before every upgrade. It's the easiest way to keep your Tufin solution optimized, protected, and running at its best.